JD Cap 26 here, just at Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies. And we have a penknife by Old Timer. We've got a Leatherman tool. This you could probably find online somewhere or in Walmart. And this flashlight. I'm going to put these, this one, and this one, in the links below so you can find them if you want to buy them on Amazon. This is Essential Toolkit. And with this toolkit, let me zoom out here, hopefully. Can't zoom out. Try to zoom out here, guys. Anyway, you're going to use this purse right here. I'm going to put this down in the link below. This is a coin purse. And it has this unique snapping action right here. So when it's in your pocket, you can just go like that and open it up and get your tools. So put the flashlight in there, and that'll fit right in there at the bottom. And your clippers and your other tool. You want to put them in there, you know, generally how you grab stuff. And your little knife, pen knife. You just clip it closed, put it in your pocket, and you're all set. It's a little EDC kit. So I want to show you that today, and I hope this helps you. And I hope you rate and subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.